Sasra Deemed University Online Degree for BCom, BCE and BBA in collaboration with KS Academy and Logistics Skill Council. www.sasra.edu.
உங்க ரெண்டு பேருக்கு எந்த தொடர்பும் இல்ல?
இப்ப இருக்கு மேம். இப்ப இருக்கு.
என்ன விளையாட்டா இத்தனை பசங்க இருக்காங்க, மூணு பசங்க இருக்காங்க அவளுக்கு. ஆளுக்கு கூத்து அடிக்கிறது.
கர்நாடகா மாநிலத்தை சேர்ந்த நிரஞ்சன் அவர் ஒரு டிவைஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காரு. அந்த டிவைஸ் என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா கழிவுநீர் கலந்த நீரை சுத்தப்படுத்தி குடிநீரா மாத்தி கொடுக்கும். சோ அதை கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காரு. அதை இப்போ அதை பயன்பாட்டுக்கு வந்திருக்காரு. இப்போ I just want to know how the device is working actually. Can you please show the demo? ஸோ நேர்களே அந்த டிவைஸ்ல அவர் ஆக்டிவேட்டட் சார்கோல் பயன்படுத்திருக்காரு. அதாவது நம்ம ஊர்ல கறிக்கட்டைன்னு சொல்லுவோம். இந்த கறிக்கொட்டையை பயன்படுத்தி தான் அதை பியூரிஃபை பண்ணி தண்ணி சுத்தமான தண்ணியா வெளியே வருது. ஸோ நீங்க பார்த்துருப்பீங்க, இன்ஸ்டன்டா அந்த டிவைஸ் அட்டாச் பண்ணிட்டு ஒரு கழிவு நீர் நம்ம அது வழியா விடும்பொழுது அது உடனே குடிநீரா மாறி இருக்கு. அரசு பள்ளி மாணவர்கள் நிறைய பேர் இந்த மாதிரி கண்டாமினேட்டர், அதாவது கழிவு நீர் கலந்த குடிநீரை குடிக்கிறாங்க. அவங்க நிறைய நோய்கள் வருது, தடுக்கிறதுக்காக தான் அவங்க கிட்ட போய் சேரணும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் அந்த டிவைஸை கொண்டு போறா அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காரு நிரஞ்சன். அதே மாதிரி கடல் நீரை குடிநீர் ஆக்கிறதுக்கான விஷயங்களையும் அவர் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்காரு. ஸோ தமிழ்நாட்டு அதுக்கான திட்டம் நமக்கு இருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி தமிழ்நாட்டை பார்த்து அவர் இன்ஸ்பயர் ஆகி அவர் அந்த விஷயத்தை பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்காரு.
People can stay 1-2 days without food, but to stay 1 day without water is difficult.
நேயர்களுக்கு வணக்கம். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம நிகழ்ச்சியில் நம்ம முக்கியமான ஒரு மனிதரை சந்திக்க போறோம். கழிவுநீர் கலந்த குடிநீரை குடிக்கிற மாணவர்களை பார்த்து மனசு உடைஞ்சு போய் அந்த கழிவுநீரை சுத்தமான குடிநீரா மாற்றணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக ஒரு இளைஞர் ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காரு. ஸோ அவர் வேற யாரும் இல்லை, நிரஞ்சன். கர்நாடகா மாநிலத்தை சேர்ந்தவர் அவர். ஸோ அவர்கிட்ட நம்ம பேச போறோம். வணக்கம் நிரஞ்சன். So, I mean, your project and vision is very revolutionary actually. I had seen your interviews, I had seen your videos. So congrats for that actually. First of all, can you please explain about the project? I mean, the device which converts the contaminated water into the pure one. Can you please explain us about?
Okay. So first of all, thank you everyone for calling and giving me the opportunity for such a wonderful platform. There was one incident in my life during my engineering days where I had to come up with a product which is cost effective in the world. Which can purify a contaminated water into a drinking water, or like the river water, the lake, or the municipal corporation water. So we started with a vision and mission saying that cost-effective filter which ensures safe drinking water for all human beings.
So ஒரு டிவைஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காரு. அந்த டிவைஸ் என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா, அதாவது கழிவுநீர் கலந்த நீரை சுத்தப்படுத்தி குடிநீரா மாத்தி கொடுக்கும். ஸோ அதை கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காரு. அதை இப்போ அதை பயன்பாட்டுக்கு வந்திருக்காரு இப்போ. ஸோ அதை பத்தி தான் பேசுறாரு. ஸோ I mean, I need to ask this. What influenced you to come up with this new idea actually? Can you please explain us about your early days?
Sure. So during my engineering days, I used to do a lot of projects. And one fine day, there is a government school in front of my home where we used to go to play over there. And I was a boy from middle class family. I never felt a problem of safe drinking water. But when I saw those kids drinking a contaminated water from the overhead tank, I felt I should come up with a solution, innovative solution, sustainable, impactful, and at a cost-effective way. And there where my research and development started, and we started building a different products. And one fine day we made the purifier, so which will cost 30 rupees, and thereon we have a different models which can purify water. So that was the story behind developing the water purifier.
What's the name of the purifier actually? Nirnal, right? Nirnal. Is it resembling, your name Niranjan with someone?
So Nirnal, purity in your pocket. So if you have a pocket, you can keep it in any pocket and carry it anywhere, anytime. So Nirnal. So when we developed the product, one day when I went to file the company name, so I wanted to incorporate the company, and I was unaware of we need to have a name for the company. So I called my mom and said, "Mom, what we need to keep the name?" She said, "Neer means in Kannada is water."
Okay.
And
yeah.
Null means tap. Huh?
Yeah.
So Neer Null. So she said the filter can purify the tap water. So she said Neer Null. So water and tap. So this is how it started.
I just want to know how the device is working actually. Can you please show the demo?
Perfect. So this is the latest model what we have come up, which has a maximum efficient purification capacity. So this filter can last long up to 1500 liters and can be attached to normal PET bottles. So in market we see the normal PET bottles like soda or any cold drink bottles or any Tupperware bottle, like kind of. Okay. Example I'm doing. Rather speaking much about this, I'll show you a small demo how the filter works so that you get a clear picture. So this is a filter.
Okay.
And this is a contaminated water I have taken it for the demonstration purpose. This will be open, and this is a purifier.
Okay.
You just need to screw as you screw the cap. And this is a glass. So normal glass I have taken it,
Okay. Okay.
and you
Yeah.
squeeze and drink it. Instantly you get a safe drinking water.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
So
you can see
the
the clear water. This water.
so it's an instant purifier, right?
Yeah, Nirnal purifier. And this can be absolutely drinkable, which removes bacteria up to 99.9% and safe for drinking.
I just want to know what are the components being used in that
Wonderful.
device actually. I mean, what's the technology being used in that device?
Yes. So we have been using the ultrafiltration membrane with a pore size of 0.2 micron. It is a membrane based purifier. The basic model what we started was with activated charcoal and a spun filter inside that. So as we all know, like when after, so I am basically from mechanical background. So I was not aware of the filtration, or there was no relation between mechanical and the water purification. So I had to do a lot of research, and one of the research paper like I was going through, like in from ancient time, we use activated charcoal because that has a lot of advantage in purification of water. So again, when further study, so we have come up with a membrane based purification. So this has a membrane which can purify up to 0.2 micron.
ஸோ நேர்களே வந்து அந்த டிவைஸ்ல வந்து அவர் வந்து ஆக்டிவேட்டட் சாக்கோல் பயன்படுத்திருக்காரு. அதாவது நம்ம ஊர்ல கறிக்கட்டைன்னு சொல்லுவோம். இந்த கறிக்கொட்டையை பயன்படுத்தி தான் அதை வந்து பியூரிஃபை பண்ணி தண்ணி வந்து சுத்தமான தண்ணியா வெளியே வருது. ஸோ நீங்க பார்த்துருப்பீங்க, இன்ஸ்டன்டா வந்து அந்த டிவைஸ் அட்டாச் பண்ணிட்டு ஒரு கழிவு நீர் வந்து நம்ம அது வழியா விடும்பொழுது அது வந்து உடனே குடிநீரா மாறி இருக்கு. ஸோ நீங்க டெமோவில் பார்த்துருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ இட்ஸ் குட் டு சி. ஐ மீன் இட்ஸ் லைக் அ மேஜிக் ஆக்சுவலி, யூ நோ. ஸோ யூ ஆர் டர்னிங் த கண்டாமினேட்டட் வாட்டர் இன்டு த பியூர் ஒன். ஸோ ஓகே. So I just want to know, I mean, I can feel that you are very keen to introduce your product to government school students actually. Can you share your school days actually, or what is the reason behind that, especially to the government school students?
Okay, so basically, sir, when there is a government school in front of my home, just I said you about my incident. So those children don't have access to safe drinking water. So nowadays, government is also installing the filters into the school. But because after certain period of time, the filters are not working. And when the children go back to their home, they drink again contaminated water. Most of the school going children don't have filters in their home. They might be drinking pure water in their school, but they're drinking contaminated water in their home and they're falling ill. They're not coming to school to drink again pure water. So that was the reason where this flexible bottle can be attached for tap as well as for bottle, and they can use it anywhere, anytime. And second thing, government gives for the students like the midday meal program they run. There is the second is they give bag and books for the children. Similarly, in that kit they can give this one filter which can come last long up to 1 year for one student. So that is my motive, and so that all children can drink pure and safe drinking water and they can be healthy and strong.
அரசு பள்ளி மாணவர்கள் நிறைய பேர் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி கண்டாமினேட்டர், அதாவது கழிவுநீர் கலந்த குடிநீரை வந்து குடிக்கிறாங்க. அவங்க நிறைய நோய்கள் வருது, தடுக்கிறதுக்காக தான் அவங்க கிட்ட போய் சேரணும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் அந்த டிவைஸை கொண்டு போறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காரு நிரஞ்சன். So I just want to know, have you encountered any such issues in your early days? I mean, like drinking some contaminated water, getting some flu or something. Have you faced any encounters kind of that?
Yeah, so sometimes we all know, like in everyone's life, we travel some of the other places. So we drink the water from the bus stand and railway station. Some places might have pure water, but some places where we don't have assurance that what water quality we are drinking, and we have the dysentery or something, different major problems might take place in our health, because 70% of the body contains water. So why drink contaminated water? So that was a time when we thought to introduce Nirnal. People can stay 1-2 days without food, but to stay 1 day without water is difficult.
So I mean, I can see this. I mean, this device is a small one. So is there any plan for you to make it as a bigger one? I mean, for the large scale production of water, drinking water.
Correct. So when we came up with the bottle one, people started asking for the tap one. So when we used to go for the rural area to give the filters, so people started asking, do you have anything for the tap or any much bigger unit? So recently we have come up with a new tap filter. So this can be attached for any tap, and where the shelf life is approx 2 to 3 years. This is the new model we have come up, and this can be attached for any tap, and this can purify up to 25,000 to 30,000 liters. and this does not need any electricity nor waste a single drop of water.
So how long your purifier can work? I mean, how many liters of water can be filtered from the device, from a single device?
Okay, so there are different models, sir. So starting with the 30 rupees price, this can purify up to 100 liters. The new model which I said you is a filter which can purify up to 1500 liters. And the next version is up to this filter, Caltech filtration membrane with a efficiency of 25,000 to 30,000 liters. And we have next model too, which is big in size for community based, like community where 10 to 15 people are there or more than that. So that can be attached like with a cost of 15 to 20,000. With a sharp, like there is the flow rate of the water is 18 lakh liters of water.
How safe your product is to use, and how do we know it's working properly? I mean, the water is filtered actually. So how do we know? Is there any chemical chemical lab test kind of thing?
Correct, sir. So because as I earlier mentioned you, we are a small startup. So we have taken the certification from the government of Karnataka and 2-3 labs from NABL Acrylate labs, and we have tested it, the filter. So we have got a very good results from them, and that's what we have kept the same chemical combustion we have started doing. We do have the test reports. For the export market and all, we are still taking the certification from the different places, because as we move every 50 kilometers, the water quality changes. So keeping into a mean consideration, we are just developing and much more efficient filter, and we are taking the certification from different bodies.
So what's the major difference between your purifier and the other purifiers in the market? I mean, in the terms of efficiency, you can say, and also the cost constraint.
Okay. So taking consideration for the bottle filter, in market we see there are custom made filter water purifier for the bottle which can fit for only those bottles. First thing, our filter can fit for any PET bottles. Second thing is like this filter can be also attached for tap. Third thing is you can carry it in your pocket. You can also use it for the running water, where we are giving we have given filters for the CRPF commandos. So CRPF commandos don't carry any such bottles, or they don't have tap nearby when they go for the in jungles and all. So they have the running water or the lake wherever. So this can be just dipped into the water and can be drink. And the fourth most important point is cost. So where everyone are concerned. So cost is the main key.
Yeah, normally in market actually,
where in market
the purifier costs more than any other devices in electronic devices. So I mean that is a market over there actually with that purifiers. So I just wanted to know what is the major difference between in technology aspect between these purifier and the other like reverse osmosis purifiers kind of thing.
In reverse osmosis, correct. So we are using the ultrafiltration technology, as I said you, with a high flow rate. So it is all the hydrophilic membrane what we have used, which has high flow rate, whereas comparatively the different ultrafiltration membrane needs much more energy to squeeze or pump the water. We might also need some pump or again energy we need to apply. This filter does not need such. This is a gravity driven filter where you just need to squeeze it because the vacuum is created for this kind of bottle. Or for tap, generally you need to open the tap and definitely the water start coming out.
So this is gravity driven. I can understand that. So I mean, I just want to know the cost of the product. I mean, you just said initially actually. I mean, explain in detail what is the cost in all the levels of devices.
Okay. So the basic what we started with the 30 rupees, which will purify up to 100 liters. So the cost per liter is 30 paisa per liter. Okay. The new version cost is 450 rupees with the 1500 liters of purification. So 30 paisa per liter again. So the cost is same. And coming to the bigger version, so this comes like 3000 rupees, where the life is 25,000 to 30,000 liters, which is less than a 10 paisa per liter.
It's good actually. It's good. It's reasonable. Yeah. I want to discuss with you in business perspective actually. How successful your product is right now actually? Do you think it's more successful than any other purifiers in the market?
I would like to say about my product. We have been successful because what we are moreover like innovation driven startup. Like we need to keep on innovating different parts, design and assemble it, and then go into the market for the validation. We take the feedback from the customer, again come down, sit and again design it. So we have completed the research phase. So we are just now going into the market with the different distribution channels, online platform, e-commerce platform to grow and scale our business. And yes, definitely we are getting a good and positive feedback from the people. So definitely our validation is good. I say, because we are getting a very positive feedback from the people.
So what are your upcoming versions of your water purifier? Is there anything surprise?
Surprise, like because when I started going in some of the different states, like in rural areas, there is the salt content is more in the water. We want to just come up with a purifier where that salt can be removed off without using any energy, so like any electricity, or without any using electricity, that can be purified at very low cost.
Oh,
Moreover, we see that there is no maintenance.
Do you have any proposal for that? I mean, for that project?
We are just developing the proof of concept for that. So once it is ready, we can show to the people and we can disclose about that. You're working on that, sir.
You are going to use new technology for that project, or you're using the the project which is the technology which is existed already actually?
No, we are definitely using a different technology.
Can you share us some updates on your future goal, that is to convert saline water into pure drinking water? I mean, I just saw that thing actually in that video actually.
So again, coming to a lot of Tamil Nadu places like Tamil Nadu and all, where it has affected with the tsunami and almost all the wells are filled with like the sea water, which is salty in nature, and we have only left out like the water is getting drained day by day, and we have only the sea water where we can convert it into a drinking water at very cost effective way without using any energy, or using very less amount of energy to convert that sea water into a drinking water. That is a future project what we are working on.
So actually, Tamil Nadu is working on converting seawater into drinking water actually. So we had some obstacles and hurdles in that project actually. So is it possible to get rid of those hurdles?
Definitely, sir. So right now we are using the technologies is the reverse osmosis. One is the deionization technology. These are the major technology. Or the third one we are left with is the distillation and the ion exchange resin we can use to reduce the salt of the water.
Yeah. Is there any successful saline water plants inside India? I mean, other than some Gulf countries?
Yeah, I don't think so. There is any plant such where we have set up desalination plant. If you set up also, there is a Tata plant where we have they are set up in different regions of India, but the cost is too more comparatively than other in Gulf countries what they have set up.
So I appreciate you. I'm happy for you. I mean, your efforts are actually revolutionary. Actually, I mean, I think it will make some impact in the society. People will start thinking about the contaminated water, drinking contaminated water kind of things. So I just want to do something more. I mean, you should do more things. You should keep inventing many more devices for the society's sake. I just want to thank you. Thank you very, very much. Do you want to say something to us, especially for Tamilans?
Definitely. So I've heard that Tamil people are very clever and intelligent, and they have contributed a lot more for the Indian society. Firstly. Second thing, we are also in search. We are a small startup where we also need the help from the people, from the society, to make this society beautiful. So we started with a small goal, and it has reached lot of Indian people, as well as we are also focusing for the different parts of the world, like African market and all. If any help from the people from Tamil Nadu or from India who can help us and support us to make our goal and vision much larger impact, so we would be glad and happy to get support from them. And thank you once again for inviting me for such a wonderful platform and giving opportunity to explore my startup view.
Thank you. We are very honored to have you here actually. So நேர்களே, இப்போ வந்து நம்ம பேசி இருந்தது கர்நாடகா மாநிலத்தை சேர்ந்த நிரஞ்சன். அவர் வந்து நீரை சுத்தப்படுத்துறதுக்காக ஒரு டிவைஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காரு. அந்த டிவைஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியான விலை. ஸோ அந்த டிவைஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது எவ்வளவு மோசமான தண்ணீரும் வந்து குடிநீரா மாதிரி அதை குடிக்கலாம் நாம. ஸோ அதை வந்து அவர் வந்து இப்போ பெரிய லெவல்ல பண்ண போறாரு. இப்போ பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்காரு, படிப்படியா முன்னேறிக்கிட்டு இருக்காரு. அதே மாதிரி கடல் நீரை குடிநீர் ஆக்கிறதுக்கான விஷயங்களையும் அவர் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்காரு. ஸோ தமிழ்நாட்டு அதுக்கான திட்டம் நமக்கு இருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி தமிழ்நாட்டை பார்த்து அவர் இன்ஸ்பயர் ஆகி வந்து அவர் அந்த விஷயத்த பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்காரு. ஸோ தமிழர்களுக்கு நன்றி அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காரு அவரு. ஸோ நம்மளும் நன்றி சொல்லிக்கலாம். ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் நிரஞ்சன். தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். ஸோ நைஸ் ஸ்பீக்கிங் டு யூ நிரஞ்சன். தேங்க்யூ. All the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you.
Sasra Deemed University Online Degree for BCom BCE and BBA in collaboration with KS Academy and Logistics Skill Council. www.sasra.edu